Alright guys, so finally nakaating na kita balik sa Silliman University Medical Center. And guys, grabe, medyo ko ka-recognize sa lugar guys. This is still the entrance and this used to be the front of the hospital. And this is basically new. And this one as well is new guys. Look at that. As in, laki na pinagbago ng hospital. So unfortunately, we're not allowed to take a video of the hospital because of privacy policy nila. And nalipay ko guys na nagduaw ko balik no. Ibisita na ko ang surgical ward where I was a resident way back in 2000. And ako na gid ang kausaban ang ilahang residence quarters na relocate na, as well as ang ilahang surgical conference room na himo ng PACU. So, pero ang OR is still the same, emergency room is still the same. However, there's a lot of buildings that are an addition, which is ang katong mga medical specialty, no? Over here to the right is where we live. So, ato na ako balik sulod na sa Silliman University campus, and let's see if makita pa nato ang among gipuyan sa una. So, same lang gyapon ng mga tindahan dere, no? And this is where the entrance sa medyo gwapon ang dalan, simentado na. Or espalto pa ni sa una, and more on hamugaway na gid ang lugar compared sa una. So we're now in Silliman University campus guys. Kung nagid kausaban sa building karon no niya, wa nagid nako na recognize ang lugar kung asa mi nagpuyo. And ayan guys, by the way, Silliman is a very wide sprawling complex na. So daghan kay ni siya, dako kay ni siya nga university guys. And what I love in this place is the trees. Look at that. Grabe, shades. Grabe. So I think mo na among gipuy-an sa una. Let's see. Kay murag duha to siya ka complex no. Yeah, this is it, AB Jacobs. Naabot ni jud ko dire. This is where I live guys, AB Jacobs. And let's see if I can get in. So unfortunately guys, walay mo open para sa toa. But yep, this is it guys, diri ko nagpuyo, and I live basically across that room over there. So this is a new building, that one's new, this one's the old, like a gymnasium. And dami ng mga buildings dito guys, even that one over there is also new. So yan guys, the same pa rin no, yan pa rin. Pero ginawa na siyang pickleball guys, that's nice. So, napakalawak ng complex ng Silliman guys no, and yan, daming mga amenities here. And I for myself wanted to school here as a very prestigious school.